Want to become a NotebookLM power user? This video is just one episode in a complete NotebookLM series. Watch the full playlist on LionAI and discover every feature step by step. Hi, I am Kalarimti from LionAI. What if someone watch a video for you, break it down and explain it in few seconds? That's actually what NotebookLM is starting to do that. Search NotebookLM and click this try NotebookLM button. Now click this create new notebook. I upload link here. At this time I give only one link, but if you want you can give multiple links here. I press this button. Now click this video overview in this area. So what is explainer? Explainer gives a more details and structured overview. It connects ideas from your sources and explains them clearly, making it ideal for presentations or in-depth in understanding. What is brief? Brief provides a short and quick summary. It highlights only the key points, so you can understand the main ideas fast without going deep. NotebookLM offers multiple visual styles for your videos. Auto-select chooses the best style automatically. Custom lets you design it your way. Classic gives a clean, professional look. Whiteboard is great for teaching and explanations. Anim creates a cinematic animated experience. This helps you match your content to any audience. In this area, you can type your own instructions or select quick option like those. At this time, I select quick option. This tool created a video.
Welcome to this explainer. Look, if you're a busy business owner, an entrepreneur, or a startup founder, I want you to take a second and think about the absolute most valuable, most scarce asset you possess right now. It's not your capital, and it's definitely not your office space. It's your time. In this explainer, we're diving directly into the source material from software and AI engineer Kalhara Wamukthi to understand exactly how moving slow is costing you.